Hello everyone and welcome back. I'm Rajat here and the iPhone 11 is finally here with me. So this is the red color and there are also a bunch of colors such as purple, yellow, black, green and white. And the iPhone I have in my hand is the 128GB version and it costed me around 69,900 rupees. So this model is not for a demo version or anything, but this is the one which is available for the consumers of the market. And also I got a 6,000 rupees cashback with the HDFC card, so that's an added bonus. So let's go ahead and take a look at the box. So here you can see the red apple tinge and also the iPhone written in red color. So this packaging comes based on the color of your phone. So as I have the red phone, I've got the red tinge and the name written in the red color. Let's look at what's written behind the box. So I've got a 128GB version as I already mentioned. So it says that the box includes iPhone 11, earpods, lightning connector, lightning to USB cable and the power adapter. Also there is information about the manufacturer and some other things. And also it's the product red. So yeah, let's go ahead and open up this box. So I've already removed the packaging above it, but yes, I haven't opened up the box yet. So here you can see the phone on top. It's a bright red color. You can see there's a product red mention on that. Also there's a all clear Apple symbol. So let's keep the phone aside and let's see what's there inside the box. The phone looks almost similar to the iPhone XR, which is pretty neat. Now Apple has given some brochures. As usual, there's a hello and there's a SIM ejector pin and also a small warranty card and some Apple logos. Well, I was expecting the logo to be the color of the phone, but yes, maybe it's fine for now. So let's keep these aside. So apart from that, we have the 5-watt adapter. I was expecting a fast charger, but Apple hasn't provided that. And then we have the earpods and also the lightning connector or the USB cable for charging the phone. And looking into the earpods, so these are the wired earpods and it is only compatible with the Apple products as they have the lightning port there. So let's keep the box aside and let's focus on our main product, that is the iPhone 11. So let me peel away the temporary screen guard first. So the screen size is 6.1 inch and it's almost same as the iPhone XR which was released last year, but the only upgrade is its camera, and you can see here it's a complete glossy finish, and also they've given a good finish at the camera where we get a matte finish. And there are of course two cameras. One is for the ultra wide angle lens, which is 12 megapixel, and the other one two is a 12 megapixel camera, which is just the wide angle. So I can expect better pictures and probably better photos from this phone. Let's go ahead and boot up this phone. And let me set up something so that it gets up and running. In the meanwhile, let's speak about the processor of this phone. And this has a A13 Bionic processor, and Apple has claimed that it is the fastest processor ever till date. So let's see how this phone performs. In the meanwhile, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then do please hit on the subscribe button which is at the bottom, as it's not going to cost you anything and it's going to help me grow. So I have booted up the phone and set up some things initially. So in the meanwhile, let's take a closer look at the camera. This time we've got a great upgrade on the camera. So yeah, let's see how the camera performs and what it features. So basically this is the let me show you the ultra wide angle. So you can see that this is the ultra wide angle mode. So there is a good coverage of area. This is the normal mode. And coming to the portraits, I hope you've noticed the new high key light mono mode. So Let me just turn on the front camera, I can show you that. So in this high key light mono, you can see that the whole background is blurred, so it's kind of nice. You can expect it from this one. Let's look into the settings, and in the camera mode we have so in the camera mode by default it's 1080p at 30 fps, but yes, you can change it to 4K at 60 fps mode, so you can get better cameras, but I would rather keep it at 1080p at as of now. So you get ability, so record slow motion. Also there's 1080p recording at 240 frames per second, so that's a good feature. And the last year we did not have this good frames per second, but yes, it was pretty good. Also coming to the slow-fi mode in the front, so we do have a slow-fi mode at the front, as Apple bragged about it some days back, but yes, that looks pretty good. And also, as I mentioned about the low light mode, so this was taken in complete darkness. I would say even I was not able to see it properly, but yes, iPhone actually captures very good photos in the dark mode. Also there is haptic touch, or I would rather say 3D touch. You can see that I'm getting the options when I just hold on the any application. So rearrange books, notes, so I can perform all the actions on top of the screen without opening the application. So let's get back to the display. So the size of the screen is 6.1 inch as it was already present in the iPhone XR, and it comes with a liquid retina display, and the display is pretty smooth, and the pixel rating is around 1792 into 838 pixels. That's about the screen resolution, and it has a 328 ppi, so it's almost same as the iPhone 8. And so speaking about the SIM cards, this phone has a dual SIM option, where one is an eSIM, and I've already configured my eSIM to be Airtel. You can just go to any of the outlets for any SIM providers, and they'll configure the things for you. Also, let's see how the face unlock performs. As I'm in front of the camera, let me just go ahead and see. Yes, it's pretty fast. Yes. So you can see that the response time is really very less. So if I'm looking away from the phone, even if my eyes are looking away from the phone, it's not gonna unlock. So it's pretty secure. Also, this phone comes with the IP68 coating, so I can expect it to be more waterproof. But not to forget that Apple does not cover this in their warranty, so do be careful about this. So let's get back to the features of this phone. So they have included a new dark mode, so I guess it's gonna be pretty much a big deal for someone who likes the dark theme and the dark wallpapers, and also it's gonna affect your eyes very less. So like I've set up the environment for the night mode. As you can see that it's kind of very dark here, and let's see how the iPhone performs. So I've opened up the camera, and here you can see that there's a yellow color option on the side which says that you need to hold still for 2 seconds or 3 seconds. So it depends on the photo I'm capturing. So let me just capture this. It's asking me to hold still for 3 seconds, and you can look at the way how it is optimizing the shot. So it's way better than what was expected. So night mode actually performs really well. I'll take some more shots in this. So yes, you can see how the picture has come, and it's really great. So this is one of the shot which I had taken yesterday, and I would say that it was really dark, but the picture has come out really very well. So it's kind of nice when I speak about it. So let's speak about the design of this phone. So on the right side I've got a power button. Along with that there is a SIM tray where I can fit up to 1 SIMs, and at the bottom I have a lightning port along with 2 stereo speakers, so I guess there will be better sound quality this time. And on my left I have a silent switch and volume buttons. So this is all about the iPhone 11 unboxing, and I hope to have covered a lot of things. And if you do have any comments or if you want to know more about this phone, then please leave a comment at the bottom, and I'll make sure that I'll answer each one of you. So I've also posted some photos, as you can see on the screen, which were shot outside, and some in the dark mode and some in the probably like outdoor shots and some indoor shots. So you can just have a look at them. These are the HD pictures which have been displayed on the screen, so it gives you a more judgment on how the camera performs. So that's all for today. If you have liked this video, then please leave a thumbs up, and also do not forget to subscribe. Thank you. Have a good day.